Hey, I'm Chris with AffordableMedicalUSA.com, and we're going to talk about the brand new golden Buzz LX. It's just like the Buzz EX, but what the difference is it has a higher weight capacity, 375 pounds. This is also new. This is your tiller adjustment at the fingers, so it's very easy to adjust where you want it instead of having to reach down and twist the knob. Right here has your the charging port, USB for charging your cell phone or whatever you like, and then a rocker switch for the on and off for the lights. It has a front light and a back light. It can be easily disassembled. It has a higher back seat. It's not adjustable, but it's a higher back seat. So it's a captain seat with a swivel that can be stopped wherever. But to take this apart, it's very simple. You just pull the seat right up, remove the batteries. There is a docking station that you can purchase with this, that you can charge the batteries separate than the scooter. Remove the basket, pull the handles, pull it straight up. It has a front and back suspension system. This handle comes right up, it disassembles it, and then you can lower this back down. And then from this moving around, you can push that in and turn it. So this is the front part. To connect it back, straighten it, bring the tiller back up, release this so you can turn it. Basket goes on like so. Put the batteries in. These are U1 batteries, so you're going to get about, they say 18 miles per battery charge. Take the seat, put it on. This scooter comes in 4-wheel, 3-wheel, affordable, and it's just a great medium/large scooter. The Buzz LX at AffordableMedicalUSA.com.